So hello guys, today I'm going to try to solve a sliding window technique problem, which is in the practice list of neat code. So let's try solving this right now. First, let's try to understand the question. So we can see, so there's a string, and then we have to find the longest substring without any repeating characters. Okay, so initially the string is A B C A B C B B. Okay, okay, so we need to find the substring such that it's the longest without any repeating characters in it. Oh, so it's three here because A, B, C is the smallest one. And actually we have multiple substrings which have no repeating characters in this string. So A, B, C, we have B, C, A, and then we have C, A, B, and then we have A, B, C, and then we have, yeah, that's it. So we have multiple answers. Luckily, we need to only print out the string, the length of the substring. So we'll try approaching this problem. So, so let's consider the first test case and solve based on that. So initially you see this A, B, C, and then B, B. I suggest you people try this problem before watching the solution. So ABC, okay, so this is there. So the initial, so we need to use sliding window for this question. So sliding window is like to reduce the usage of nested loops. We use a sliding window technique so that we can we can solve the question in a linear time. So here we have the window will be varying based on size. So initially ABC, BB. So consider we have two pointers, low and high, which are initially at zeroth position, which are initially at the first position, and then next step would be so the next step would be to okay, so the length of three. Okay, fine. So we need to use the hash set to keep a track of the characters, which are whether they're repeating or no. We'll have a character hash set. So let's consider this hash set. So initially, while iterating through the string, we'll add a, no problem. Like it's an empty hash set, so we can add a, no problem. There's no repetitions, no. So next iteration would add B, and then next would add C. So right now the size would be three. So let's consider right now the size of this thing would be three. So this is could be a potential answer, but we'll try to solve through the whole question right now. So initial size would be three. Okay, next this has an A, B, C. We have gone up to this point. So this pointer is here, and then the high pointer is here. Yeah, so two pointers are there. So initially the difference between them is how much three. So this set let me put the indexes also. So one, two, three, four, seven. So yeah, the difference is three. So initially the size is three. So no problem. Right now the high pointer is at two. So next, while adding a, we can't add a into this hash set because a is already present in it. So right now we have to remove from the left side and we have to add from the right side. From low pointer we have to remove and add from the high pointer. So when we add a in the ending, so let's remove this low. So low will become one. So we'll remove this low and this pointer will go to the next position, and then we'll add next A again. A will get removed here, and then we'll add A here. We'll add A here. So next the size would be three still. Again the size would be three minus uh, so three minus one. Right now the size is I mean sorry. Yeah, so it's actually low plus high plus one. So the size is nothing but low plus high. Wait, high minus low plus one. So this is the size of the substring. And now right now BCA, so the size is going to be three still because you can see two plus one, two minus one plus one is going to be three itself. And next, next iteration we would again check the window would go forward. So B is already there. So similarly, we would solve this question in that way, such that we get the longest one. So let's try coding it. So initially we know that high is equal to the length of not the length, it's going to be zero, and then even low is going to be zero. We're going to start from zero, and then we're going to have a hash set which is of the type integer. So hash set of type integer, and so now we have this, and the high pointer will just remove it. And we need to have a variable which can store the answer or the result. Initially, let's keep it as zero. So let's iterate through the whole array right now. S dot length. So y equals to zero. Okay. So next we need a while loop so that the window can be maintained. So the set dot contains. So the set should not contain the thing which we are going to add right now. So the set dot does not contain the s dot char at high. So whichever character is present in the high point, it should not be present already in the set. Otherwise, we can't add it. Otherwise, we'll negate the condition where it's repeating characters. So now let's. I think we have extra bracket. Yeah, that's fine. So now let's just remove the characters from the left side. So as you can see here, we are removing characters from the left side until the condition is satisfied. So s dot remove the s dot and then low plus plus before front. Okay, now as soon as this while loop is done, so we'll add the character which is present in the high pointer. Set dot add high, and then now um, and now we would change the value of the answer the result. We use the max function because we have to return the max length of the longest option. So max minus comma high minus low plus one. Yeah, this will return the value. And then after the whole loop is done, we'll return the answer. Hope it works. Let's see. So, sorry, the set is supposed to be a character has set. I made it into an integer. That's a mistake I did. So, set dot remove as your character. So what's the error? Let's check it out. String index is out of range. So let's check. Oh, I think I have to put it as contains. Till it contains, we have to remove the. Yeah, so you can see the solution got accepted. Okay, let's try it for our custom test cases. This PWKEW. Let's try for that. I'm going to drive in the code after this. Let's check the solution for this. Let's check for it. Edge cases also. For example, this one is that the BBBBB one. BBB. Now whenever I want to add, no problem with that. Yeah. So let's try it in the code once. So as you can see, I'll remove this thing right for now. Let's remove this thing. So ABC, ABB. Okay, let's go through each iteration one by one. So initially the string is this, and then we'll have a set. So in the set, each time we are adding the characters of the string one by one into it, and then initially we're removing all the characters if they are present. Like if you want to add a new character at high, at the high point whichever is present, we'll remove The character is present at the low point till the condition is satisfied. So this is how a sliding window works. So sliding window has variable size, it keeps on moving forward. So this keeps a track of the answer such that you should make sure it's matched the ending. So yeah, that's it. So let me submit and check whether we got the right answer. Yeah. So yeah, 32. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.